Let's keep it
Somebody's
like
calling the
police.
cops outside.
Chief.
Like this is a private business.
Chief.
This is like that.
Let's keep it police. Police. Let's keep it.
But
Let's keep it
we have
police.
patience. We have everything. We have doctor. Come on.
You gotta provide identification.
Please. Like this is a private property.
Hey, 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 hey.
Let him go.
Hey.
Provide identification. You can't just come in here like that.
Is he alone? Let him go. Hey, hey, hey. Let go.
I'm just telling you, watch the video, man.
Hey, you coming here?
Identify yourself.
I need to get out. You can't even identify yourself. You have no proper identification. Get out.
You need to get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Coming into a private business like this, it's a private
Get out.
business.
I'm not
You are not a federal agent to begin with.
I'm not touching you.
Identify yourself.
Nobody's touching. I'm not touching.
Who are you?
I'm just saying.
What's your badge number? What's your badge number, federal agent?
Let him go, please.
He's by himself. Hey, hey,